Today I am going to present a brief description regarding my publication Criminal Law of Bangladesh. Ignorance of Judges is Calamitous for People, Volume 1. This is Magistrate Azizur Rahman Dulu, who has published this book in Dhaka by Ozdar Publications, and this form has been published by bdhometutors.com by the help of Radio Chilmari, particularly in using the studio of Radio Chilmari. We are now seeing the picture of the book, which will show the Criminal Law of Bangladesh, Ignorance of Judges is Calamitous for People, written by Magistrate Azizur Rahman Dulu. This is a certificate issued by Register of Copyrights under Government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. After thorough examination of the book, the Register of Copyrights, Dhaka, Bangladesh, has issued this certificate in respect of this publication.